Yes, you can add a single or multiple Google Gmail accounts to the Apple Mail app on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the Apps section at the bottom. Search for the Mail app settings. Tap on the Mail Accounts option. Tap on Add Account. Here you will see a list of all email services. Tap on Google and a browser window will open to add your Gmail login details. Enter your Gmail address and password. Continue with the option Passkey or QR code, or select Try Another Way. I have not set up a passkey, so I am choosing a different method. Select Enter Your Password. Type your password and tap Next. On the two-step verification screen, choose any of the available verification methods. Tap Yes on your iPhone or tablet when Google sends a notification to verify the account. You can also choose Sign in to a different account if needed. The second option is to use a security code even if you are offline. Use the backup code that you saved during the two-step verification setup. The third option is to use the Google Authenticator app. Open the Google Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code if you have access to the app. If none of these methods work, you can receive a verification code on your mobile number ending with the phone number shown on the screen. Many people get confused on this screen, but you can complete it easily, so do not worry. I am using phone notifications with the Yes option. My iPad receives the notification because the Gmail or YouTube account is signed in with the same email address. Tap the Yes, It's Me option. I verified the account on my iPhone. Continue and allow access to your Google account. As you can see, iOS already has some permissions. Do not worry, everything is secure. The final screen shows the services you want to enable and use on your iPhone. Turn on the toggles and save the changes. Gmail emails are now synced with the Apple Mail app. Open the Mail app, go to the All Mailboxes section, and confirm that the Gmail account is added and showing your emails. That's it. If you cannot use Gmail on your iPhone, I recommend installing the Gmail iOS app and adding your Gmail account there to use it easily. Any questions? Comment below. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates.